Okay, guys, welcome to your next guided reading lesson. So, yesterday you were told to read pages 4 through 6 and to think about what the main idea and supporting details could be. Now, let's review what 4, 5, and 6 were about. On page 4, they're giving you an intro onto the history of the donut. Okay, this is the page where you would have found your main idea. Your main idea would have been various forms of fried dough have been around for centuries. Your supporting details you would have found on the bottom of page 4 and as well as on page 5 and 6. Because if you notice, 5 and 6 is the background of the donut, okay? So it's telling you where the donut originally came from. So let's look at our supporting details, okay? The donut was eaten during religious holidays, festivals, and carnivals. Oops, and I misspelled a word, so let me just fix that real quick, guys. Let me see, religious. And, okay, it was also founded in Rockport, Maine in 1847. So this is where it was founded in America, okay? So this is all over. Our first supporting detail is all over the world. And our second supporting detail is in America. Now, what I would like you to do is you are going to read pages 7 through 8. And I want you to come up with what you think the main idea and supporting details would be. I will send you the slides and you will have your own copy and you will put your answers onto the slide. Okay? Now, you're only doing 7 through 8. Yes, you must also read this part down here that's in the purple box. Okay? Now, for the last part, I want us to go ahead and talk about word work. Okay? So, this is for level Q. Now, when you are looking for the book Donuts, the guided reading book for donuts, you're going to want to hover over the letter U on Raz Kids. Do not go under level Q because you will not find it. It's actually under level U. Okay, so word work for level Q. But on Raz Kids, it would be U. Now, using contractions with not. So, I gave you a list of words that have a meaning. So R means like we are going to do this. We are going to go eat right now. If I wanted to put it with not, I would get are not. We are not going to eat dinner outside today. Okay? Same thing with is. Is means we're going to do it. Is not means we're not going to do it. So let's look at has. What do you think with has? Has, you put your in, your apostrophe, has not. What about will? Will, apostrophe, will not. And have would be haven't. Now, I want you to do would on your own, and I would also like for you to do could. Okay, please read those pages for me, and we will review guided reading and the book tomorrow. Also, one thing that I found interesting about today's work is, in fact, so I'm going to go back to my KWL and I'm going to go under what I learned. And what I want you guys to do is put something that what I have learned from what you've already read. And maybe did you come up with another question that you would like an answer to? Okay? So go back to your KWL chart and go ahead and fill it in. Now, we've already done what I know. What you are doing is, did a question generate from what you read? And did you learn something from those pages you have read? Okay, I hope you enjoy your day. I miss y'all very much, and I will hope to see you soon. Bye.